My indicators work fine, but the covers of the mirror indicators are faded and yellow and make the car look old and neglected, so I need to change that. I might as well change the indicator bulbs themselves while I'm in there as well, so let's get to it. You can see here just how bad the covers look in comparison to a new one. I bought these new covers from eBay for $15.85 each. To replace them, start by taking off the cap of the wing mirror. Use a prying tool, preferably one a bit smaller than the one I have here, to get under the bottom of the cap. There are 3 clips along the bottom that should come out quite easily, and then you can pop the cap off. To take the indicator cover off, pop this metal clip here and it will come away. It's still attached by the wiring, so we just want to pull this part off here. That exposes the bulb, which we can just pull out. The new bulb slots in, as simple as that. To fit the new cover, reinsert the bulb into the cover, then press it into place. Line it up at the back here, then press it in so that the metal clip slots into place. Then we can replace the mirror cap, just press it in with all the clips lined up and make sure everything is slotted in and pressed down properly, and that's it. How much better and cleaner does that look now?